Hi everyone, it's Friday, 4th of May 2018. Yeah, still have some snow and there's some flood in St. John, New Brunswick, and there's some flood watch for a certain area. Trans-Canada Highway is supposed to close, and it was raining here. That helped to melt all the snow, but there's a lot of mud again. Still have water there coming, and don't want to break the roads. Still more water coming from there, and so for a better note, guys, here I have a surprise for you. Finished painting my add-on my thumb. We put 2 bolts to hold it in place. Did drill 2 holes. I did cut here, guys. There was this part extended that I was talking about. Cut it up. It's all shiny and bright, and it looks good, guys. It looks pretty good, and I can't wait to try it. I did cook the paint, and I did cook it on my rocket stove. And the way I did it is I built an enclosure to cook it, and that's it. I did bring it to 250 degrees, about 300, and let it cook for a good 6 to 8 hours. I did cook this part. I did build, this is an add-on that I did, but I did another one, guys. You see here this pole, and the problem is when you have your backhoe hooked up, if you need to put a trailer, it needs to be a long pole to extend behind the backhoe there. And the problem is if you go up a hill or a little stump or something, the pole of the trailer would hit underneath the backhoe, and it's dangerous to bend it. So what I did, guys, I took this 3 feet long 2x2, a 1/4 inch thick. I might have been a little bit overboard on the thickness, but I want something strength that have a lot of strength there. And I'm gonna put a pin there, and I have a surprise for you. I did another add-on, and it's not finished bolted yet. It's all loose, but here on the backhoe there's 3 bolts. You see 2 more bolts there at this hole, and this is to put the cylinder on this side. I will explain that later, but the thing is, there's a 1 hole in the middle here, so I did center my bar, and this is a pin. I'm gonna remove that pin and put it in. I need to drill 2 more holes, 1 on top and 1 on the side, so I need to do some measurement and install that, guys. Same thing with this one. I did cook it on the rocket stove. Same thing with the pin that I did, 1/2 inch pin. I did paint them, cook them too. And what I'm talking about here, guys, this cylinder could be put on this side or on this side. The reason why, if you're using your boom and you're like digging a ditch, you want to go further on this side, you're able to do it. And the thing is, you take, this is the pin that was left, it fits in, guys, and you see the little notch here, the little hole, it's fit on those notch. So what you do, you take your pin on the other side, and you have a hole on each side, so you're able to do it on each side. And this way, if you want to dig further away, you're able to do it. But you have to watch not to hit the side of your backhoe there. What a person could do is make some little rubber and put it on the side so it doesn't hit. but it's pretty neat. Another thing, I think that the reason they put it there is, I think you can take, it would need like a little bit longer cylinder there, and you could put a cylinder on each side, hooked it up on those line here, so when one is pushing, the other one is pulling, so it gives you more strength, because those are built to push, not to pull. So if you want to force the boom on this side, it will pull, and you will not have the strength that this one will have pushing on the other side. So that's a little issue, but I think they build it for this, or maybe the way those are built, they use this part for other backhoe. Or anyway, I don't need to go really further on the side with the backhoe, but that's a good idea. So tell me what you think down the description below, and that's it, guys. Another add-on. This is going to put the trailer on the back, so the pole will extend around here on the back of the, at this angle around here, yeah, that I measured 3 feet. So I will be able to put the trailer in the back and fill it up with a backhoe. That's going to be cool. So thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and put a thumbs up. And this afternoon I'll need to remove my plastic cab there and change the oil in the differential here, hydrostat, and this part here too. So I'm not going to do a video about this. There's a lot on YouTube, and that's it, guys. But as soon as the ground dries up, I will make some video with the thumb. Thanks again for watching.